I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of this little box that I have these in. Mark isn't here right now, but he would tell you that this is another item that he was a naysayer on. He didn't understand why I was buying these hand-painted wood blocks, vintage wood painted houses, folk art, known as salt boxes. Whole assortment of them. There's 12 of them. In fact, I paid $3 for all of them at a church rummage sale. Church rummage sale, second one for the day. Somebody hand painted all these houses. $5 for the set. That colonial primitive look. And they sold an offer for $26 plus ship. I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of this little box that I have these in. I think it's going to work out pretty good because you can see they're really not shifting. I mean, one of them, I guess, barely wants to fit down in here. I don't know if I can do anything about that or not. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with stretch wrapping them in here. But first I'm going to put some bubble over top. Watch all the way to the end because later in the video I'm going to show you some eBay sold comps for primitive wood houses. I'm not sure how much I should do on the corners. I think the corners are okay. I basically just don't want these to bounce up and down. I guess they're going to rattle a little bit, but I think they'll be fine. I have an eBay box that's 10 by 8 by 6. I think I can fit 4 air pillows in here maybe. Maybe not. Yep, 4. Thank you label. I've got some room on the sides, but I'm thinking I can tuck some bubble wrap down in here. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. And I need some more. I can try another piece in here. Give it the good old shake test. It's good. Here are some eBay sold comps that I promised you. Here's our listing. Took an offer on $34.95. Here's a smaller lot but bigger houses for $29.99. And some primitive bird houses sold, a lot of 18 for $24.95. And they could have gotten more out of the wooden houses on the right here. They could have gotten more than $12.95 had they not started it at a low auction starting price. But let's look at some of the keywords. Country, primitive, I used farmhouse, but most people use salt box, and rustic, primitive, folk art. You know, these are some of the keywords that you can use. And this lot of 8, $4.55, they gave it away. Absolutely gave it away. Let's go over to active listings. 16 active. It's bringing in some other wood houses now and other wood items. Here's a lot of 16 folk art primitive that I'm circling here listed for $35.99. Cat's Meow is still selling. I pass those up all the time, and various miniatures here. So my advice is don't overlook them. If you can get a nice quantity of them at a good price, you know, we paid $3 for ours, and happy with the sale. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon.